Hi everybody, my name is Tomislav Dolusic. I am a fitness coach and teacher from Zagreb, Croatia. I have 30 years of experience in the field of health and fitness. In the last 10 years, my great passion has been breathing. Have you ever stopped to think about the great power of the breath? Well, I may say that deep conscious breathing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to bring yourself back to the present moment. It allows you to tune out distractions, to connect to your body, and find yourself a sense of calm and clarity. So please join us at the Deep Business Leadership Summit this November in Zagreb. I will guide you through a serious breathing and movement exercise, specially designed to bring yourself back to your body, to calm your mind, and find your inner peace. Also, you will learn stress management techniques, how to increase concentration and energy levels, and how to reconnect to yourself. Looking forward to see you there. Until then, just breathe and flow.